What is going on, everybody? Caleb here today. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but it's safe to say that I'm going to be back to uploading 2 videos a week, so be on the lookout for that. Now I'm going to pop open the trunk and I'm going to show you guys what we got in stock today here. And yep, this is it right here. We're going to be installing these quad tips that I got off of eBay. They're actually made out of stainless steel on the inside, and they're stainless steel all the way up until that line, and then from there on back there it's actually made out of metal. So I decided to spray paint the metal ones from the line all the way to the rear right there, because I've read online that actually the metal gets pretty rusty, and if you apply just some like clear coat and some paint onto it, then it should hold up pretty fine. Alright, so now I'm just going to throw in a little idle clip so we can compare the tips we have on right now to the new ones, to when they get installed. Made it to the exhaust shop right now, and the guy said it's going to be a $100 install because he needs to put a reductor on the exhaust pipe. I don't know what he's talking about, but that's what we're going to do right here. And you notice that the left pipe is kind of crooked. That's because the bolt on top is actually pretty loose, and so that's why it's kind of at an angle right there. Good right there. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's pretty good because it doesn't come out that much over there. It's not touching on the left side, the thing? Oh wow, yeah, that's clearing. Oh yeah, no problem. Damn, man, you good.
No, you bring the right piece.
I hope so. There it is, guys. He just completed an install and it's looking pretty good. It's pretty even on both sides, and we're just gonna get a startup real quick. Alright guys, it's gonna be a first startup. Let's see how this shit sounds. Oh shit. Hey, can you hit the gas? Oh shit, man, that's super loud. Thank you, man.
Okay.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
And when I get my other car, I'm gonna bring it here too.
Okay.
So now that the quad tips are installed, I'm just gonna give you guys a little idle clip right here, just to compare the difference. Now the biggest difference between these stock tips and the quad tips that are on the car right now is that it has more of a bass to them, and not only that, it's about, I would have to say, 20% louder, which I really don't mind because I really do dig the way they sound, and honestly sounds pretty beefy. So that'll do it for today's short little install video. If you guys do have any comments and questions, concerns, definitely do leave it in the comment section below. And I also like to hear your feedback on what you think of the tips, of how they look and how they sound, and if it's a notable difference in your ears. Yep, so that'll be it. Take care, guys, and have a great day.